those people, and once they like get 2 ticks, 3 ticks, or 2 or 3 people, they'll get a promotion and such.
I am back.
Welcome back. Good luck. This is just fucking pure massacring new people. Teaching them a lesson that War Thunder is not meant to have fun.
It's not.
Oh my god, I'm just bullying them! Oh, I killed him just a millisecond before he dropped his bomb. Do this to this guy. Come on, help me. Help me push this fucking... Help me push this T-14, T-114 into the water. There we go. Oh no, it's amphibious!
What?
We're gonna do them to them? We're gonna do them bad?
Oh, of course.
Yeah, baby.
Hello, Tiger!
I would like you guys to witness where I am again. That's... Why does that have a turbine engine? Why is there a Stewart here with a fucking turbine engine? It's probably that M1A2, but you know.
I don't want to interrupt you screaming, but I think this is the most active, like this Discord.
I was literally quiet for weeks, and now we just light it up.
My mate, help!
Oh god.
Where the fuck are we getting bombed from? I found out.
Just gotta fucking kill you, just like he did with me.
All my bombs are gone. I hope I got him. Definitely got him. Oh, no, no!
Attention to the designated grid square.
Alright, let's see how this works. Well, it's better than 30. That's better than 2. Yeah! Yeah!
Oh, 7 seconds on a repair. My smokes are going out.
Not too good now.
I'm back up.
I am. You bitch! Holy shit!
Where the fuck did you go?
I was above you!
Grid square. Returning to the base.
That was not fun, that was bullshit.
I one-shot it. Oh, that was cool.
Okay, yeah, that was PV.
Yeah, it's him again. Oh, poor bastard.
Kill him! But make it look cool. It's gonna make it look better.
Times have I told you it? What, 6 now?
How many times have I told you I have shit memory?
How many times have I said I don't give a fuck? Oh my god, I actually hit that. Oh no, that was such a good kill. I'm positive, man.
Attention to the map.
Congratulations.
Oh god. Nope, I don't know. Please take it out. Please destroy, please. Oh, did I just save myself? Yes, and I got a kill! And I guess America? Although for America I mostly just bought my way up, but you know. Shut up.
How difficult it is becoming where this game is. No, that game. something, right? And I'm pretty sure I was in a chi hub. It was chi something. And my tank got
Cheeto. Haha! Fuck you! You kill me, I kill you, bitch! Keyboard. Jesus.
Shut up!
What the fuck? Like a dog.
People do call me a bitch.
Yeah, you are a bitch. Meow meow. That's not a bitch. Oh no no.
Greg. Hey, fuck shit. Greg. Why are you yelling at? Where are you? You're just saying my name. I told you to come back near the boat. There's no boat here.
Oh no.
No, just not listening. I mean, it's cold, so you can hang out inside so you're not.
Well, there's something I can do over there, so I've already left.
How do I think this? Oh, there we go. What was that?
What the hell is going on?
Oh.
The traitor?
I am not the traitor.
We just got attacked by fucking cannibals. Great. Can you hit this? See if they're great.
That's what I was doing.
I have to go. Guys, go. We gotta light this shit. So, I'm sorry, Dre, what were you doing? Oh, no, Captain
I was
Quarters.
trying to get wood with my new axe.
Dre's the only one who...
Oh!
Yeah, I had a vision. I told me that we probably won't be able to do this without it, so we'll probably get on that.
What?
I can't see.
We can't kill the motor just yet, because we don't have enough resources on...
I really wish this thing. Oh my god, I can't even watch that.
Yeah.
Where do I have to go?
What time is it? It's a note for you. Welcome home, Liana. I hope you made it here safely. Sorry I'm not there to welcome you. I haven't been feeling well the past few days, so I've had to go to bed. You knocked on your brothers, so I do know what's coming up. I know what this game's about, okay? The brother's fucking dead. Alright, Mom? Mom? Hi? Yep.
Nice. Not nice. There's a helicopter.
Kill it. Before it kills me.
Wait.
I should find
I'm dead.
earlier.
I'm so fucking dead. I'm dead.
What is with the both of you? Jesus Christ.
Oh, the Russians got completely fucked with Hostomel Airport.
Yeah, but we have the Russians. Oh, you mean in real life?
What? No. Yes.
Whoops.
Okay, I need a way for this crossbow. I'm too stale. That is not a crossbow. That is a ring. That one up.
You can suddenly decide to be a bitch and just go.
I can fly without the tail! Yeah! Fuck you, anti-air. Pussies. Oh shit.
That might be blood. If it's just my tracking system, I'm not going to bother looking at it because I don't think it's going to help. I'm not that kind of player.
Oh
I'm
dear
scared.
God.
I'm going to stand back, look for his
Show us some of the fucking sh. Oh my God. What the fuck was that? How did I? Okay.
Oh, the fucking tail. He literally just triple threw it at him. He did it after the shield bash. You're not allowed to do this. This is cheating.
Oh, bye-bye, helicopter! You go kaboom! Let's see if I can do this.
Oh, he literally just opened with the tail. What the fuck?
Oh!
Holy shit. That's a lot. That's like a lot.
How did I just... What the fuck? Boys, I'm in an R3 and I just survived the missile. That landed right next to me.
Yes. Oh. Well, it should be, because it's... Oh. I'm pretty sure it is.
I don't think it's got a mercy effect now.
First one's number 2.
Oh wait a minute, I know the...
Yeah, 2-3.
You were wrong.
What was it?
Oh yeah, we only have one more chance of this, don't we?
Boys, talk.
Oof.
What just happened?
Or fired and buffed and whatever you give them. Oh, that's actually quite helpful. Did he? I'm gonna kill him first.
I'm Martin.
I hit the top of the fucking destroyer? Because it didn't look like it.
Hello. Hello there.
Normal radar can't see it. Pulse Doppler could see it at the moment, really high up. Look at fucking damn it.
Martin, I'm gonna finish off the fucking...
Oh my god, no, that's over.
How to control what? You...
What? I wanna kill the dude in the mushroom. It's not letting Mark on.
Really?
Yeah, Mark on phone.
Martin can't join because of him.
Well, not because of him, but
Oh, I just got a triple kill. It only has APDS, doesn't it?
And heat.
Heat FS or just heat?
Heat FS. Oh, that's a missile already. Oh, nice. How convenient.
Shoot everything. I'm just trying it out.
It says something on the bottom of my plane, but I have no clue what the fuck it says. It's in German.
Oh no!
Dirty man.
Oh, I sniped his pilot from the back.
Fractured in kind.
That's why you want him to be your moment. Just be honest with us.
Get away from me! Don't touch me! Get your hand over there, Xander! Ew!
What? It's just your heart. You don't need that.
Tokyo Drift! I don't know how the fuck I did that.
It wasn't a moan. What the fuck are you talking about?
It was a moan.
That was the gayest shit you've ever done, motherfucker. And I'm not in, I'm not into it. I don't want it. Stay away from me. Shall I play Germany?
Oh. You're also still alive.
Shut up. I was dealing with it.
Fucking house. Being overly cautious at this point.
I deployed air brakes to get back behind you.
Oh, I actually, dude,
No, no! Oh, nice, good kill. Yeah, Harrier's on me with the GR1. Another Harrier.
I lost
Attack
control.
the D.
I lost control.
Oh no.
Another missile out. Whoa! My god, did you see that? Shit! Oh shit! No, no, no! Oh, well, I'm off the cliff. No, stop! Stop! Stop!
Stop! You're fucking shootout!
Stop.
Shootout! Y26.
I don't know where he is.
So he is there. Like on the west, I'm chasing him.
Oh god, I just hit that poor fucking crewman. Holy shit, I didn't realise you could see the people.
Yeah, that's a 110.
No, it's a 219.
No, that is what is above us right now. That is a 110.
That's a 219.
That's a bomb. That's a bomb. That's a bomb. Oh,
that's a bomb.
I have like 96 horsepower.
Oh, that's a bomb. Nigger. Oh, God. Oh, got a hit. There we go.
I don't know if he's dropped it.
Yeah, he did.
Why is it not gone off yet? No.
God, fucking this.
As long as you have that, you're okay. But you've already seen how loneliness and not feeling love has taken its toll with the kid's mom.
I hear him. There he is!
Where?
I can't explain it, but missile away!
Oh.
Fuck! That's not helpful at all.
What shit just happened to me?
Centauro, call it a Centauro, please.
Oh shit, there was a helicopter. There's a helicopter.
Ah, shit.
Helicopter.
Shot by an attack. Get him, man! Get him! Get him! Get him!
Got him.
You didn't get the kill!
No, I know. Fuck's sake.
God. I could have killed them. Alright, we're gonna be convoy at F1.
Oh, I'm in the air.
So you're not in the air. You're on a plane.
I forgot what a plane is.
Yep, I don't know, you're somewhere near Port Moresby.
Is that BV-238?
Yes. So friendly.
I'm almost 3,000 meters up. I look down at the water and I just see it skimming across the water.
Should not have rolled.
That was genuinely the best flying I've ever fucking done.
Good. I'm happy.
So Matt, you died. Oh no.
Yes. Fuck's sake.
Oh, I crashed into a building.
So casual.
Well, yeah,
So,
I spawn in and see my burning corpse against the hangar door. All of us, motherfucker. I achieved something today.
Kind of a chunk, bro.
Stop looking at my ass.
Ooh la la.
And there's another dude.
Martin is literally playing the spy right now.
Commander. Commander and...
Oh, sorry, did I just survive? Right, I just want to point out, I'm in a Raffle 90 and I survived a shot. Oi, Nigel, where's the tea?
That's his Panzer 4. He has no cannon bridge.
No
Gotta be
people
honest,
involved.
Jerry, I don't know.
Are you role playing a British tank crew by yourself? Their team again. Goodbye. I just came out of the Panzer for smoke.
You came out,
For a
I'm so proud of you.
split second. Fuck off. Oh god. And you're an ace. And an asshole.
Please don't
Can
get me.
hear the bomb.
Oh, thank fuck. Oh, that
God.
poor M24.
Did you really just
All
see the
four
bomb
of
fall
them.
in front of you, Martin, yet you still kept driving in the...
Where? Oh my god. What?
I don't know. Hey! It's a fucking light tank. It's a BD-76 shit.
Cannon breach down. 4 tanks! 4 fucking tanks!
You fucking broke that.
That's not my fault, it's your shitty controls!
No, my controls are well refined.
Oh, you're a refined gentleman.
Exactly.
I didn't need landing gear. I didn't need controls in my plane. I have no idea what's your button to see through the plane? What's your X-ray button?
Oh.
Oh, it didn't work.
Yeah.
Oh my fucking god.
Level 2 guy and the
Challenger!
PhD.
I am the government! Look at I'm dead. To the bush.
Honestly, I just witnessed that.
Into Mark. Bye, guy. Enjoy your vol session.
There's a tiger to be next.
What?
Just saying.
Fix. You gotta push it out again, you know, it's done. I also know that I'm done if anything else gets anywhere near me that didn't confront me.
I actually hit it? What? Missile went behind a building and I tracked it perfectly onto that car 50.
What the fuck? Oh no, there is an air threat called Martin. Oh no.
I'm very threatening, except I can't do anything.
Where? I killed. My god. He's such a prick.
I claim a maneuver kill. Oh god.
Wait, was it you?
Yeah.
Smoke.
You whore. Anti-tank.
Because it's an ADAT.
Yeah.
But no, I don't like it.
Oh yeah.
No.
Oh what?
No,
okay.
I'm alright.
You incompetent fucks on the table.
It was a very tonky tonk. There's a lot of smoke and shit. Oh god, you ruined my shot.
Yes, I know. Oh god.
Hold your fucking panties.
Yo, what? Yeah, already done because I saw what? What?
What?
Yeah. Legit. Nobody does. Oh god, why are we 11-0?
Nobody will.
Who's 11-0?
Who's 11-0?
Yeah, right, so this time... No, 10!
Oh my god!
Jumping after you.
I wonder if I'll survive hitting the ground.
Dude, you should. You might. You'll get stuck in the ground, but you'll probably survive it. You'll probably just be stuck.
No, I just bounced off.
Stabilization, it's gone now.
Oh god.
I just deployed my ESS.
I get
because there's just random stuff out in the
Wait,
city.
no, I'm gonna land on the shore.
I'm fine. Yeah, I'm fine.
Perfect. I'm landing at sea.
Wait, no, I'm landing at river! No!
I...
Oh, wait, no, I'm just beside it.
Okay, I'm on good.
Oh my god. I should get more shells. Oh god. Oh god. I'm being eaten by the earth. Oh no.
And if I fire my machine gun, I just start coming out. I'm actually gonna make it across! I'm in fucking AMX 13, like elongated. I wanna make it across. Yes!
Wait a minute.
No! Come on!
Wait.
Yes! I made it!
Just everybody gets some kind of shit.
How? That landed literally right next to me. How did I not die?
I hit it next to you! I couldn't hit you if I wanted.
How didn't I die? I'm in an R3!
Oh boy.
They're hot too, Rob!
Oh shit, Johnny, do you feel the mosquito biting you? This is
Johnny, are you
insane!
okay?
This is like a fucking, it's like King Kong!
Avalanche torpedo. Ah yes, my FPS.
I'm missing something.
Oh my god.
I'm stuttering a lot.
What? Oh my.
Which one's alive? Oh shit! Johnny!
Hello, bozo. What? Am I gonna land on Johnny? Oh, that's exactly.
Like I got.
What the fuck?
What happened?
Look up, Johnny! Johnny, fucking look up! No!
Wait, it's falling back.
Where are my issues?
Johnny, watch out!
Oh,
You just hit me and I'm alive. Never mind.
Oh.
Let me get my
I'm just shooting after your name. Can't actually see it because of this fucking smoke.
Hello.
What?
Hello. Light cruise.
Ship coming in.
Oh my god.
Excuse me? Maybe not.
Dude, it's terrifying to fly under them. What? Oh my god.
On fire.
The amount of lag.
Ship coming in, maybe not. We're gonna crash this over. You're under everything.
I am going under the ground. I'm literally moving.
Still managed to move.
What the fuck? You can see the steam from the ship as I'm leaving through the ground. Oh god.
Oh no.
Oh, who's that? Oh, that's M. I am. No.
Blade, no, superhero, no.
I played.
Oh my god.
Goodbye, John.
Didn't get any damage to you.
I don't know. I can't see my like.
Go for it, damn it.
Excuse you? Oh, there's a bridge. No, fuck off. Come on. Oh! Did you see how fucking close I was? One.
Excellent.
And there's two. I got both of the last players.
You.
Ooh!
You gotta kill us for that. Any RP counts.
I'm burning the fuck up. I'm alive. I've lost all control of my wings.
That is not good.
The mod?
No, the other Weasel.
Oh.
Yep. Oh, that's another mouse. How nice.
Oh, fuck.
I was like, oh,
that's the point. Oh, missile.
Oh,
Okay, now
would you look at that? Would you look at that? It's almost like if you dealt with it.
He can't really pen me. Like, he can try. Oh,
Ow. That's the Me4 that hit me.
Dude, how far are you?
I hate to break it down to you, but there's another missile coming here.
Oh, hi.
Oh, I got a crit. Right.
Oh, good.
Yep.
Oh, yeah.
I'm so...
Just the amount of traffic. Jesus Christ. This is like actual traffic, what the fuck? This is so cool.
That's nice. Oh shit, down. There's a Puma.
Wow.
Oh, there's enemy on the left.
I can do nothing.
Run, scatter, scatter.
Just like my dad.
Yeah, I am your dad.
Oh, dad, really?
Family reunion.
Yeah, you can call me daddy now.
No, fuck. No, I call Martin that. What?
Clip! Last bullet!
What are you doing?
That means it works. I thought it didn't work because I didn't try taking off. Basically,
I swear.
Textures for the like the blur. There is like the